Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I'm working in the garden and I'm going to plant out some stuff that I have grown, that I'm going to put in the ground, some greens. They're probably going to both, but maybe not. We'll see. I'm going to put them in a shaded area, so I'll show you guys that in a minute, so stay tuned. I'm going to plant out these three. These two are here and that one. The rest of them I'm going to let grow a little bit longer because they're not big enough. These are my collard greens. And this box is 16 feet long. But this first section right here does not get a lot of sun. So I'm going to put them here. The fence blocks it that way and that way, so hopefully they don't bolt and they can grow. I have that one there that I grew, so we'll see how it does. I'm gonna put them in here and hope for the best, so stay tuned. And this one is in that stack of moss, so I'm going to leave it. Look at the roots. They've come out the bottom in the stagnant moss, which is perfect. That root system. I'm just pulling them apart gently. And I'm just going to plant 2 per row. And I'm going to put, because it's still just March and it's been warm, but it might get back cold, so we're going to protect them just in case. And they're cold hardy, but since they're newbies. Alright. That's it for those 2. I'm going to put them right there. And then where would I put the other one? That's spinach growing in this row, bok choy there. So I think I'm going to put it on the other side right here. So I have nothing growing. Well, there's some spinach over here somewhere, but not in this corner. Okay, that's it for that. We're going to put the straw back around it. Got one here, and it's beside the spinach. Spinach don't need much room. Got it coming up. And just them 2 there, because they get pretty big with the bok choy. So let's get some water to water them in. There's a lizard over here earlier. I've seen 2 today, a green one and a brown one. You gotta go wherever they are. I don't know. good. The ground is moist and it rained like 2 or 3 days this week. And I've already fertilized this soil. And I've been putting food scraps in it earlier. So it should have a lot of nutrients. I think this is my mustard greens that died off in the frost. I think it came back. Kind of look like mustard. So I'm thinking that's what it is. And then my snow pea here. Only 2 have come up. I'm about to get some seeds and put a couple more in here. The ones that didn't come up on this one and that one and that one. So hold on one sec. I can do it. And so I have these snow peas I got from Lowe's. I think it was Home Depot, one of them. So I'm just gonna re-drop the seeds, and then the old ones may come up. I don't know, but whatever. They're good seeds, and I'm missing 3. Well, I'm missing actually 5 because I planted 2 on the other side too. And they didn't come up, so we're gonna put them back over there too. So let's move the camera so you can see both sides. What are you barking at over there, kid? Alright, we left them all there. Don't know why they didn't come up initially, but they didn't. My spinach is coming up there and there, a lot more of it. This is some romaine lettuce. I don't know what that is, or that is a bunch of it, so it might be my bib lettuce because I see a bunch of it right here, and that's where I planted it in this row, but I'm not for sure of that because it's way over here. So, not sure what that is, but I put this up on a little trellis so it can go up this, because that's why I left these here. They are my okra stalks, so I left them there, and just that one, so I'm going to trellis that back to that one and let each of them trellis up, each one of these. So hopefully they come up. And I planted some of my onions beside my garlic. So yeah, we have, I think, some lettuce coming up here too. You see it? Hope it's lettuce and not weed, but I did plant it again all along here. You know, I think I planted 2 rows of that butter crunch lettuce. I said bill, but it looks like bill. So that's it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.